Are you ready for another Smart Wheels adventure? This one is called Highway Hijinks, and things get pretty wild because we're going to need to build a whole new road. So come with us and get ready because here we go!
Our story begins with the journey of one of our favorite little blue cars.
I need to get all the way across town. I know the best way to do that. I'll take the highway. I'll just need to turn left, and away I go.
Meanwhile,
I just need to turn right, and then I can take the highway across Smart Wheels City.
oh boy, it sounds like red car number 8 has a trip planned going the other way. I think I see a problem. We've got 2 cars, each going the opposite direction, down one lane of highway. There's red car going east, but also blue car going west.
I love driving on this highway. I can go really, really fast.
No, we've got 2 cars going the opposite direction. This is not going to be good.
Watch out! You're in my way!
No, red car. You're in my way.
Hey, I got on this highway first!
Hey, stop crashing into me.
No! You stop crashing into me!
Red car? I'm not a bumper car.
Then get off the highway and out of my way!
But you've got to share. I need to get across Smart Wheels City.
Can't share, it's a highway! You've got to take turns and it's my turn right now!
Hey, you pushed me off the highway. Now I have to climb back on.
Just stay off my highway!
It's not your highway. It's everybody's highway.
Attention! The police have arrived. Everyone stop fighting at once.
Looks like we found ourselves a traffic dispute there, Chief.
Looks like.
I thought I told you to move out of my way, blue car number 3! Hey! Stop that right now! That's not allowed! The police are here! And we say separate! Back away from each other right now! Put your cars into reverse! Do it! That's better. Slowly.
Let's go talk to him.
I was just trying to drive down the highway, Mr. Policeman, but that mean red car won't let me. What do I do?
Well, you better let the police take care of it. For now, just drive into reverse and find another way to get where you're going.
But that's the highway.
I know, but for now, the highway is officially blocked.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
I was here first, so that means I get to go, right, officer? Actually, sir, for now, the highway is officially blocked, so you're going to have to go back the way you came. Head on back, and we'll let you know when the highway is free again. What? Turn back? That's horrible! I can't do that! I'm afraid you're going to have to, sir. Oh! Please, sir, head on back. Oh, all right. Okay, Chief. Those cars are gone. We can head back to the station.
But just 10 minutes later...
Ah, the road is free!
Oh, no! Not you again!
Out of my way!
Listen, you can't just push people around on the highway. That's not fair.
Push? Oh yeah, I can push! Watch me!
Oh no! You've knocked me over! Ah!
Oops! I didn't mean for that to happen. Oh well, I guess I'm kinda sorry about that. Oh, man, there's been a car crash. And there's all this oil on the road now. I gotta better be careful or I could fall too. I get... Wow!
Oh no! Now we've both crashed!
Yeah, I guess that wasn't so smart. I'm sorry, blue car.
I'm sorry, red car.
Did somebody call for a tow truck?
Yeah, I could sure use a tow truck.
Well, somebody call for 2 tow trucks. Okay, guys. My twin brother and I are gonna get you right as rain in no time. Let us attach our hooks, and we'll pull you back to the garage and get you all fixed up. Okay?
Thanks, tow truck. I appreciate the rescue.
No problem. We're really happy to help you out. Get ready.
Sorry I'm so heavy.
No, it's fine.
I've never been pulled by a tow truck before.
Just enjoy the ride.
Helicopter here. I'm looking over the scene of today's accident, and I think I might have an idea of what went wrong. Coming in for a landing. Hey, police car, are you there?
Yeah, I'm right here. What did you learn, helicopter?
The problem seems to be that we've only got a single-lane highway going through Smart Wheels City, but we've got traffic going in 2 directions. Do you see what I mean?
I do, helicopter. Which means we're going to need to redesign things around here. Which means we're going to need the help of the Smart Wheels City construction team.
Now, where is Bulldozer?
Bulldozer reporting.
Hey, Bulldozer. It looks like we've got a job for the Smart Wheels City construction team. Can you build us a 2-lane highway?
Can do, Chief. Just let me get my team together.
Alright, cement truck reporting.
Dump truck. Moi is here aussi.
Good. Everybody's here. Because we've got ourselves a 2-lane highway to build.
Excelente. As they say, 2 is better than 1.
Alright, let's get this party started.
Then diggers, start your engines. The first thing we're going to need to do is to tear this road up.
You are doing fantastic, Bulldozer.
There, that's a good start. But we're going to need to get these road pieces packed away.
Just leave that to us, Chief. We've got you covered.
Our construction cranes, they are very powerful, no? Is my first lift ready to go?
Yep, all secure. Take her away. Nice and easy now.
Gentle, gentle, like a baby egg.
Alright, let's set her down now.
Here I go.
Alright, let me use the claw crane to get this piece out of the way. Yeah! Yeah! I got it!
Okay, thanks to your excellent work with the cranes, we've got the old road put away. Just let me clean it up a little bit, and we'll be ready to start building the new 2-lane highway. That should just just about do it.
Alright, we're coming down for some building then. Just wait for us.
Allons-y, we will be.
Okay, so here's where the old highway was. To turn it into a two-laner, let's start by putting in a splitter to turn one lane into two.
Alright!
Yippee, let's skippy!
Let's build!
Okay, it's working. We split the track into two, but there's not enough track really to get anywhere.
Time for more pieces, yes?
You got it.
There! It's working. So let's do some more. What do you say?
I'd say that's a big yes.
More, please!
Alright, look how far we've come!
But we still have more to do.
Time to add the big purple brace.
There! Now that should help keep those lines nice and parallel.
Just give me a second here. I want to make sure everything's nice and flat. That should do it. So far so good, but it looks like we've still got a ways to go to connect. So let's get to adding more pieces.
It's working! Alright, our new highway is starting to get really long.
Affirmative! And this road has a nice smooth feel to it too.
Sure does.
So let's do some more. I think we are getting close to the finish line.
Looks like. And that means it's going to be time to put in a couple of double-ended purple joiners. Bring them on.
Alright, they're in nice and tight.
Good. Then we'll be ready for our last and most important piece.
Look, we have made it all the way to the other end of the city.
Which means it's time to connect our two lanes back to one. Here we go.
Now hold on a second now. Those pieces aren't flat at all.
Oh no, he is quite correct, mon amis.
And that's why we're going to need to use our digging power to push them in. Ugh.
Now you're talking. Those are in there real good.
I like it.
Me too. So now our entire road is connected. But I think before we're done, we're still going to need to do one more thing.
We're gonna need one more layer of cement. Here I go.
It is a very goopy, squishy sound.
True that, but I love it. I love me some cement. I'm gonna get it through the entire road. Look at that. We're coming up at the end already. That didn't take long. Well, I guess that means our road is done.
All that is left to do is to have a road test.
That's right. We're going to need a volunteer car to test out a brand new double-lane highway.
Did somebody say road test? I'll do it. I'll do it. Red car number 8. Me. I love checking out new roads. Look at this. I'm the first one on the road. And it's nice and smooth. Feels great under my tires. This road is perfect for a race car like me. Yeah.
I'd be happy to do a road test for the Smart Wheels City construction team. I'm ready to go. I like this road. Look how smooth and fast it is. I can drive on it all day. My test results? The builders did an excellent job. Hey! We can both go on the road at the same time!
Yeah, this is great! No more crashing into each other or getting in the way!
Great to see you on the road!
Hey, you know, passing people on the road going the other way might be my new favorite part of driving.
Yeah! Have a safe trip! Nice to see you again, number 8!
Nice to see you, number 3! A honk to you!
A honk right back at ya! I'm sure glad they built us this brand new 2-lane highway.
Yeah, me too! Now we can have all kinds of adventures!
Well, Chief, I can see our work here is done.
A special thanks to you and the Smart Wheel City's building crew.
But don't worry, we'll be back to build more real soon.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to try another video, just click the box and check it out. And if you'd like to join us on our next adventure, click the circle to subscribe.
Bye, everybody. Keep imagining.